Hello everybody, this is Chama Forex and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to analyze some few pairs and do some recap on the previous pairs that we did on a previous video. So today I just want us to go direct to the pairs that I want us to analyze. So the first pair that I'm going to analyze is Euro GBP. Euro GBP, you can remember very well we analyzed together and I was already in on that, or I was already on that trade, but the market failed to break this zone. So the market come back and took me out on break even, but I already taken 50% of the profit. Let me show you on a lower time frame. So this was the trade. I took the trade around this place. Market gave me a week. So I realized this market still holding. Then I took around, when the market reached this level, as you usually know how I did it, I took 50% of the profit. Then the market break this might smaller trend line here. It break it around here. That's where I was taken out with a break even. Market stopped me out with a break even around at the break of this trend line. So I was taken at break even around here. So I only take 50% of that trade and the rest I was stopped out on break even. So that was analyzed on my analysis on euro, euro dollar, euro pound. So on euro pound, what I'm expecting next, I am not sure. But if I have to expect for more buys, the market has to break this level. The market has to break this level, maybe around somewhere here, then retest, then I can take a buy from there. And if the market still tanking, I will wait the market to come up to this place, break, retest, then I can go to the downside. So that is what I'm expecting on Euro GBP. The next pair is, this one is USD JPY, dollar yen. So as I was telling you the previous video, I was expecting the market to exactly hit this level, then break the trend line, but the market has decided to break the trend line. So what I'm expecting right now, I'm expecting some pullback. Let me draw this, some pullback. I'm expecting some pullback. Then I can take this trade on exactly 50 to 60% of the trade. So that is what I'm expecting to do exactly. That is what I'm expecting to do on this particular pair, that is USD JPY. Or if the market can still tank, the market can still sell maybe around somewhere around here, then I will just measure 50 to 60% pullback, then I will take the trade to the downside. That's what I'm expecting on this particular pair. So for now, I don't have much to say on this pair. Let's wait and see if the market will form itself. So the next pair that I want us to look is this is OutChef. OutChef, you remember the last time I was out. I took this trade around here. I drew the trend line here. So the market took me out around here with all this profit. Then when the market retraced, I also decided, and I saw this market is it's on a bullish level. So I took my Fibonacci level. I draw my level from the top, from the bottom to the top. This was the level, my 60%, 50 to 60 level. I drew my counter trend line. Let me go to lower time frame where you can see it clearly. So this is my fib level. Let me remove it. So this was my fib level. Market retrace. I waited the market to retrace and break my counter trend line. Market break my counter trend line, and that's where I took this trade. And as you can see, took my TPM, my 50% of my trade at the 100 level retracement. I took my 50% of my trade around this place. So, and my stop loss is at almost tight. It's here at this level. So I'm waiting the market to reach on TP2, and my final target is around this red level. So that's where I'm going to take my complete take profit. So this was a good move. It was a very good move for Audi Chef. So let's go back. So what I'm expecting on Audi Chef, I'm expecting Audi Chef to give me a full complete. But remember, today is NFP, so I will put my stop loss very tight because today is on NFP day. I will put my stop loss very, very tight. So the next level, you remember very well, this, my red line is the next level. So that's where I'm expecting my TP. So, and I put this trade on my Instagram and also on my Telegram. So the next pair also I want to analyze is Euro NZD. Euro NZD is the next pair that I want to analyze. On my last video, you remember very well, I told you I'm expecting this market to break this double bottom and to retest. And if you can see on my 4-hour, this market is on. This market is exactly on this level. So what I'm expecting, let me draw this level here. I'm not in yet, but let me draw this level here clearly. So if the market come, you can see I drew another line here. If the market cross this line, then I will be in for this trade. I'm expecting the market so to cross this blue line, then now I can enter my trade and my stop loss will be around this level down here. So that was my analyze on Euro NZD. And if the market's still tanking, then I will not take that trade. But I'm seeing that this market maybe it's coming to form another level here, maybe a double bottom, so that you can break this level and move to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting on Euro NZD. So the next pair that I also want to do some few analysis is this one NZD Chef. NZD Chef took me out. NZD Chef took me out, but it was on a good level because you can see this was a support, resistant, and resistant. So this is how I do it. This is how I do it. The market break this trend line, then come to my fib zone, then I enter the trade here around this place. Then exactly the market turn back. My stop loss was above the Fibonacci level. So the market just come above the fib level, then took me out of my trade. So that was that pair. And I did not manage because when the market came to 100 level, this is where now I secure some profit and I take my 50% profit. So this one, I didn't have the chance to secure profit. So I was just stopped out, and that was my loss on that. So the next pair also that I wanted to analyze is this one is out JPY. at least out JPY almost also it didn't have a good profit, but I secure 50% of my profit. If you can see on the top, we have a double top. We have a double top, and this is a very important level. Also, this is a level, and this is a level. So on 4 hour, you can see market break my counter trend line break. So this was the retest, but if you can see clearly, this retest did not complete because it did not reach to this exactly fib zone. But I take it aggressively around this place. Market came straight to my TP1 because this is where I normally take profit. To my TP1, I took 50% of my trade, and then the 51 break even, but the market came back and stopped me out of break even. So I only ended up with 50% of my profit on this particular pair that was out JPY. So that is much about the out JPY. I don't have much to talk about it. What I'm waiting on this pair, I'm not sure about it. So on the next pair, this is Euro USD. Euro USD give me a good profit also. I posted these things on my Telegram and also on my Instagram. So if you can see clearly, this market has formed some kind of a pattern. It has formed some kind of a pattern. And if you can see very clearly, this look like left shoulder. This was the head, and this one was the right shoulder. So this was a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. If you can see it very clearly, this was a inverse head and shoulder pattern. This was a shoulder, this is a head, and this is a shoulder. So I went on the second shoulder and and draw my trend line and watch, see how the market will react. The market came straightly, break my trend line and retest to my trend line, and that's where I take the trade. So on 4 hour, on 4 hour, on 4 hour, this is how the market break my counter trend line. Then you see the market start retesting in a form of a descending channel. And then immediately when the market break this counter trend line, I enter the trade, and as you can see, I'm in a good profit. I've already taken my as usual how I take my TP1. I usually take my TP1 at this 100% level retracement. Then the market is heading to my TP2. So that's all about euro. That's all about Euro USD. As you also know, my strategy. Watch my previous videos and you will see how I do my strategy and how I go about with my strategy. After the market breaking my trend line, I waited for the retest, and after retest, that's I drew my counter trend line. Then I enter my trade, and you can see I'm in a good profit on Euro USD. So the next pair also that I wanted to analyze is this is outcard. Outcard are the same thing as Euro USD. You can see we have a level here, market respected here, respected here. And you can also see it's also some kind of a edge and shoulder. This is shoulder, head, and this is shoulder. So I just drew my counter trend line here. The market break my counter trend line, retest to my fib level, then I enter that trade. So on my 4 hour, this is how I enter the trade on my 4 hour. You see clearly that this was a trend line. The trend line was broken, then it was retested. You can see this also is a form of a pattern, like a channel descending. So I waited the market to break. Immediately after the market has broke this level, I entered the trade. I took 50% of my trade around this 100% retracement. Then the market I'm heading to TP2. So that was the trade on outcard. That's how I enter outcard. So the next pair, AUD also the same thing, but I missed this one. I didn't take this trade. I missed this one, but it was also a very good trade. So this one you can see very clearly. This was a shoulder. This is a head. This is a shoulder. The market break my counter trend line. On 4 hour, after market has broke out, the market retested, form another double bottom neckline. Immediately after the neckline, this is where I was supposed to take this trade. My TP1 was supposed to be around this level, then my TP2 at the top there, but I missed this trade. I don't know, I was some kind of a busy, so I didn't take that trade, but the trade matured exactly as I was planned. So I don't know how the NFP, I usually fear NFP. So I don't know if I will be out of the trade but I think I will tighten my stop loss because of NFP. I will tighten my stop loss then and see what will mature after that. So there is another pair here. I wanted to do some few analysis about it. If you can see this market NZD-JPY, it's in an uptrend on a higher time frame. Also always on a uptrend on a higher time frame. So this was the resistance. You can see this is a resistant level. Also this one is a resistant level. So the market break this resistant level and retested to this resistant level. And on my Fibonacci level, market show me this is the very important 50 to 60% of Fibonacci level. So on my lower time frame, this is what I'm expecting. If just this market break this, I think it's already breaking the trend line, but I'm waiting to break this level here. So when the market break this level, this neckline, then I will be in to TP to around this place. This is where I'll take my TP. My TP I will take around that place. So I will enter around here to here. So that's what I'm expecting on NZD JPY market to break, to also break this this neckline, then I will take that trade. So on the last pair that I also want to do some few recaps on it is platinum. Platinum, I see there is a kind of importance level on platinum. If you can see, this is it's a base support. You can see the market resist here, 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 and here. And on this last one, you can see there is a form of a double bottom. And market break my counter. This was my counter trend, my trend line here. Market touch here first, second touch here, and the third one, the market break. So what I'm expecting on platinum, the market is already break. I draw my 50, my Fibonacci level. This was my 50-60 level. So what I'm expecting the market to reverse, to retest to this level. Then I will take my trade to the upside. So that is what I'm expecting on this pair, platinum. So guys, that's all the pairs that I've just analyzed. So if you can watch, you can add some to your watch list, then we see what the outcome. So on those trades that I have took, I ended up winning around three to four trades here, and around one break even and one loss. So that's the all that happen on those trades that I sent to you previous week. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also go to my Instagram, follow me on my Instagram. On my Telegram channel, guys, that's where I usually put some of my analysis. Even these ones that I didn't analyze here, I usually put it on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is still new, so I just put all the analysis that I did. I just put there. So just go and subscribe to also to my Telegram channel. That's where you will always see my trade ideas that I normally put here. So guys, thank you.